General tips. First of all, number 1, reach the exam center before an hour. Number 2, have a very healthy but light breakfast. Prefer oats or cornflakes. Also carry chocolates. They will help you to beat the hunger even in between the exam. Number 3, carry some juice but don't drink water before the exam much. You may be forced to use washroom, which may take away precious few minutes. So limit your liquid intake. Number 4, don't discuss your answers with anyone. Just go there, write the exam and come back. Number 5, carry extra pens. I used Trimax for the exam. It gave a good physical appeal in the paper. Number 6, have a very limited lunch. Heavy lunch may put you in a lazy mood. Number 7, check the weather reports, especially before in Chennai and South India. It's raining, be careful. Number 8, when you see the question paper, you will find 2 to 3 googly questions on which you won't have much idea. So guys, don't panic. Take few minutes to think out of a very generalistic answer and don't write anything stupid or blunder. Just a general answer. For example, last year there was a question on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu of Bhakti movement. Though I had absolutely no idea about Chaitanya, yet I could fill 3 pages writing a general answer. Is it? Number 9, don't do anything stupid in the paper like revealing your identity anywhere. You will be penalized. This year I saw people getting so much penalized about 25 marks and losing their selection. So don't act stupid. Number 10, be ready to face anything in the exam hall. There will be loudspeakers blazing, traffic sounds, etc. So guys, be prepared mentally. You can't give an excuse that there was too much noise or my bench was shaky or there was no electricity. Most of you people will be writing exams in government schools and within city limits. So you have to face it. Number 11, if your school is in a remote part of the city or somewhere not well connected, then go today to have a look at it. Tomorrow you won't feel lost or panic. So finally, this day for which you have been waiting for long has arrived finally. Give the best and let God be with you.